Good day and welcome to this training. In this training, I'm going to teach you how to create a logistic website, a courier logistic website in less than 20 minutes. So please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Now, before you create a logistic website, before you design any kind of website, you need to have a knowledge of buying a domain name and hosting. And most time I recommend namecheap.com. To buy a domain name and hosting, you can just visit namecheap.com. So in namecheap.com, you just follow their normal registration processes and you can just register. You just follow the normal registration procedure. Upon registration, you can just register. And purchase your domain name and hosting. At the end of it, they will send you your cPanel details. So if you've gotten your cPanel details, cPanel looks like this. This is the look of cPanel. You will come and see a background of this kind. You come and see a background of this type. So for me, I've purchased my domain name and already hosting. So the essence of this video is just to show you how to install this powerful courier service website, which upon request I'm going to give it to you with just a small money. Okay. So if you've purchased your domain name and hosting, which I know some of us must have done before, at least watching this video, if you don't know how to purchase it, you can just Google how to buy domain name and hosting. There are a lot of videos to show you that, and I've also done a video on it, which is also here in my right channel. All right, you just click on File Manager. All right, so if you were purchasing it for a client and you just purchased it new, you are going to upload the file here in this public_html. You upload your file in public_html. You upload your file in public_html. So, but I will not be hosting it there because this hosting account, I've used it for a lot of things. I will be hosting it in this shop class. This is my training studio. So when you open the folder by which you want to upload the script, you click on upload. Don't worry, I'll give you access to the script. So in less than 20 minutes, this file with this script will be uploaded. So this is the script which I will give you access to upon request. All right, this is the script file. All right, it is uploading. Okay, why it will be uploading? I will be setting up other things. While I let it upload, I will go here. Let me create what next we do. We create our go to my SQL database wizard. Let's create our let's say shop logistics, shop log. All right, you create your next. This is I also use shop log here, shop_log. This is my DB name. All right, my password should I use shop@log1. Okay, shop@log1. Now please take note, you must follow these steps. The database name you're creating, you can use anything, even your password, you can use on it, but follow the tutorial step. Don't save. Okay, there is an issue which I'm bound to correct. Alright, so all you just have to do is to click all privileges. Please, let's copy this. Let's copy it. Let's keep it somewhere. Notepad. Alright, let's keep it somewhere because we'll be using it. This is our database connection file. This is what we use for our password. Okay, this is what we use for our password. All right, you say next. All right, then return home. Okay, let's check if our database the file has uploaded. Okay, it's 85%. Let's think and config our, or let's import. Go after you've created your database, go to phpMyAdmin, click on phpMyAdmin, you will see the database you created. It will appear here. That is the shop log. Click on it. Having clicked on it, you import the MySQLite file. Click here to import, then click on browse, then come down. Though I will give you access to the file upon request. I'll give you access the database file. You will see this thing, you will see it upon request. Then you click on continue. Simple step on how to create a logistic website. Why this upload? Let's check. Okay, 96 is almost done. Let's be more patient, just briefly patient. Sometimes this might take you time depending on your network. So it will be uploaded here. When we upload it, we'll bring it here. Okay, it's done. What happened? Error, field, internal error. Why? Oh, sorry, something happened. Let's upload it again. This is one of those things. I never knew where this error is coming from, but let's check it again. Or this is what I will do. Okay, error has occurred. I think it has uploaded. Yeah, it actually uploaded. It is here. Don't mind that error. Yours, you might not see this error. Please, this error is not common. In your own, make sure you allow it to green up. But mine, it uploaded. Something just happened. In your own, make sure you allow that thing to read 100% and turn green before you could go back. But I believe this is the size of my file, and it read 100%. It might just be some minor system error. Okay, but if it doesn't work, maybe we'll re-upload it. But I believe it will work, because all right, now listen. When you've uploaded it and you've extracted, like as I've done like this, check and you see wp config. Click this, edit it. Please, it's not advisable to use this, but then just follow this simple step. All you have to do, the user you created, come here and add it. db user, add it. Okay, you come here, the db name, you add it, you paste it, the db password. This is our db password. Remember, this is our db password. You come to this db password, you add it, all right. Okay, so you save changes, save. All right. Awesome, our website is almost ready. Now this one has imported. Please, what you do so you don't encounter error, check, click on wp option, click on it, come here and edit, just come here and type shop class dot xyz. You okay, you again change this website name, change it to shop class dot xyz. you save it, you go, done. Perfect. Then I think we've done the needful. The next thing I would have shown is, let's continue. I'll show you how to create an email. Or let's test our website. Let's say shop class.xyz. Let's see if it works. Very good. Let's see if it works. Yes, it's working. It works. The file that uploaded it is 100%. That's just an error from maybe the server, but in your own, make sure it turns green. Perfect, sweet. You can see how powerful this website is. You can change the language, you can change it, and every language will be changed. For example, you change to this, all will be changed. Change how powerful this website is. You can again change to English, it will change automatically. So without wasting our time, you can track you click here, it will take you to a tracking page. You can track your website. It has a live map. Whatever you just want to do, it does it for you. So that is it. But then we'll not be wasting our time here. Okay, so what we'll do now is, let's visit the admin section. Look at how sweet this website is. Wow, logistic website. Sweet, everything going so smoothly well. Please, the first thing you do after this is this: at the shop class, just slash wp-admin slash wp-admin. All right, once you pay, I will give you access to this password to log me in. You can see how easy this is. And if I can't give you the access, I will also tell you how you can hack your password. How you can hack. So the first thing you have to do is to come here, come to settings. So easy. The settings here, change this is your website name to, let's say, shop class logistic. You can say it's one of the best logistic in town. You can just write few words to explain this will help the search engine to generate or make your website visible. So this is it. Look at, you can change this mail to your administrative mail of your website. You can change all of this. After that, you save changes. All right, after that you save changes. Right, let's wait for the changes to be saved. All right, let's also go here. The next one, let's go here. There are so many settings you'll be doing, but check here, check permalinks. Let's make some changes here. I think is any serious changes. Plain, okay, all this has been reflected. All right, perfect. All right, so this is the website. Okay, the next thing you have to do here is to go to pages. Let me show you how you can all right, let's visit the website, how you can be able to change all of this. How you can be able to change all of this. We'll be changing this, we'll be changing all this, we'll be changing all this, we'll be changing all this. All right, we'll be changing all this. All right, so To change that, to do that, just go back to dashboard. Now this is a WordPress website, but then let's just track something. Let me show you how this script work. I'm going to track a shipment. Okay, let me just track this. You can track any of this. Let me just track this. Let me track this. Let me just track this. Any of them you track, it is in the database. I'm going to show. Let's visit the site again. And then you see things yourself. Click on track. Click on track package. You come here, please just paste so you see what you're purchasing. Track, bam, sweet. Yes, look at it. I will show you how to remove all these things, the email and every damn thing, how to create shipment at ease. Look at it, shows locations, look at everything, live map. Look at this script is powerful. You can print invoice, you can whatever you just can retract, and it shows you every damn thing. This is what you are getting from me at a very cheap price. So let's continue with the dashboard working. Let's go and change this header and whatever you wish to change in this website. Okay, so to change that, you click on pages, all pages. You click on pages. The first thing we have to do, you visit the, let's start from the home page. So this is what you do to change whatever you wish to change. You see edit with Elementor. Follow this simple step and you get this done in less than 30 minutes. You get it done. It is loading. The next thing you might consider doing is to check here, create an email account. All these are what you see on your cPanel. Create an email account. Okay, just let me create the secret email. If you want to create an email, we are creating with our website folder. So you check, this is it. In your own, you might not be seeing all this number because I've hosted some site here. Let me just call it admin. Okay, admin at, look at this shop class, look at it, shopclass.com. all right, let me use same password I used here as the password to this email. All right, it's okay. You create. Okay, let's check if our site is okay. Still loading while we are creating email. Elementor is a plugin that takes some time to load. It has been created. We can check email. Elementor is still loading. In web development, you learn to be patient. Although I'm doing 2 or 3 things at a time, I don't want this tutorial to be very lengthy. I want it to be as fast as possible. So this is your webmail. So you can use this mail and fill in where email are required, and you'll be getting notification. These scripts have the capacity to give notification to the client, that is the receiver of the package. I will also show you how you can create package and the receiver. We're going to create package and the receiver, and it will be checking mails. So you click on settings, let's say identity. Let's say identity. We'll touch here. You click on shop class tutorial. Okay, you come here. Here might not have your name. I just fill in this email and just fill in something like this. Then you save. Then while we still wait for Elementor to load, it's loading. I just pray the uncompleted downloaded. This thing doesn't affect it, but just that it's slow, nothing affects. Yeah, I think we are done with this page. Close. We're done with this page. No, here should remain. Here should go. I think here should go. If we need it, we can always get it back. Here should also go. So are you seeing how this script is? Once you've done the needful, all you just have to do is you visit the admin section. You just exercise patient. Exercise patient. It's just all about patient. It will load. Elementor will load. It will load. Let's be patient. Elementor is loading. So other things I might consider teaching you is how you can change now this is your email. There are other things you need to learn about email, forwarder and auto. This thing is slow today. But let's enable save mode to see if it can go. Let's just be patient. Alright, so when it opens like this, what you have to do, if you want to change this logo, I'm going to change this logo, but then let's look for a logo online. Let's say logistic logo, logistics logo design. All right, let's just look for any logistic logo and make it changes. Okay, let me take this. Okay, I think this is good. Let me just take any of the anyone. All right, save. All right, save. Okay, done. Then I come back here. I want to change this. Please take note before you click here. Look at where I'm clicking here, and you be patient. That is how you set up your logistic website. Okay, when it load, this should go. Okay, we're waiting. Just be patient. We're gonna change all of this. You want to change the color? I'm gonna teach you how to change the color. Every damn thing. Okay, good. It's loading. I want to change this. I'll click on this. I'll click on it. Then you come over here. It's loading. Let's just be patient a while it loads. Network and other factor. Then you want to change this image. You just say choose image. But this already uploaded one. Let's upload a new one. I'm selecting the one I just recently downloaded from the download tab. I am sure it should be this. It should load. Okay, yeah, that's the image. Insert. This is it. Then you say update. Now you can change all of these. Any of them you touch, you just edit through anyhow. Okay, update. Perfect. It becomes in our site as a header of all of them. All right, then the next thing you have to check after you've done this, check on this. You click on responsive mode, check if this image affect all. You check this is the tablet because I designed this in a way that it can fit in all devices. This is the tablet format. Okay, the image is in there. Oh, this tablet format, you can see that this tablet format, we need to put this image. Otherwise, if you don't do this, it will only work on the system format. So you click on this. I'm going to change it as well. This is it. Okay, then just select it now, then insert. Select and insert. This is tablet format. This site appears with tablet. All right, so the last but not the least, let's check the mobile, which a lot of persons use. If it also requires that same. See, I designed my website to be very responsive. Okay, look at the mobile. You go in here, you change, you choose image, you upload. So guys, this is how you do it. You update it so it could show. All right, so there are other things you might deem changing, such as a color and every damn thing. So all of that could be done anyhow. These images, if you want to change it, simple. Click here, edit page. You edit the page. Everything about the page will appear. Oh, there is one more thing. We'll go back to the page we previously edited. I need to correct something before it get out of hand. Let this page load. We'll go back to the previous page. We designed. We'll go back to the previous page. 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 This is wasting our time. What do? Let's just wait. Now in my website, I train people on how to become a professional web developer. It means you can develop a professional website if you're under me. My phone number is 08035603528. Let's continue with the tutorial. The page has loaded. If you want to change this, let it load. Although we are going back here because there is something I'm seeing here that I need to show you. We'll go back and change. You change, you click this. You can change this right up. Change this, change the colors and everything. Okay, this navigation, you should wait. It's not at your time. Oh, it's okay. It's loading. Oh, wow, awesome. This is a very powerful website. We're going to change this for the 3 pages we are having. You change this, you can change this logo, you can change all this, change all of this, then create shipment, and we'll be sure that is what we impute that we see. Oh, load. This one, to edit this, you click here. To edit this, you click here. Let's just click here. Let's see if you can go again. All right, the page is loading. Okay, we can edit this leading industrial film. You can see it. We can change it to anything, change it to any figure you want to change. Here you click here, look at it. You can change. We are fast, reliable. You can change it to your word. And the color here, you can change the text color through styles. Look at this color. You can change it to whichever color you so desire. You can change it to black. But changing it to black, will it show? No, it's not fair. So it all depends on what you want, and you can change this, change all of this. That's about this page. Okay, there's something I told you I will be doing at the top. After you've changed, you say update this. You can change all of this. Then let's change something here. Get a code. Please, all of this changes. Put the name of your website. This is shopclass.xyz. all right, update. Let's update it. All right, we can check here, discover more. Let's update, let's edit, put shop class. Shop class dot xyz. Let me copy this so that I can only paste it, because we have a lot of place to fill that. This is a link. When you click on it now, it shows you. You click on it, it shows you. And let's go to this one. We need to put it there. As well. Then we'll edit other pages, and then we're good to go. Please make sure you edit these things accordingly. If you do not follow it, it might redirect you to other sites. So please follow it accordingly. Follow this tutorial step. Follow these steps. Okay, edit this. Please, I missed to add this here. It's loading. We edit all of this. Come here, add just paste what I've copied before. V, Ctrl V. I think that is all we need for now. This is all we need for now. All these are responding. They are all in line, so we can save. And I believe what about our responsiveness? Okay, it's there. This is there. Okay, all right, so let's go back. So there, this is it. So simple. Let's edit other pages. You can change all of this with their colors. You just need to be good with your what's it called? You just need to be good using WordPress. Okay, let me change. If you want to change this, we've done this, we've made changes here. Okay, still on these changes here. This is this still on this page. Okay, so still on this page, we'll change all this. Wow. The tutorial is sweet, and the page is loading slowly. Just need to be patient. Oh, yes, it's loading. You can see it moving. You can change all of this. We'll change the footer. Please, when you change, compare the tray as you change. Compare them. Make sure you put the right link and website. Now, if you don't put these things where, the implication of it is it will redirect you to another site, and your user or the person who designed it for might not know. So please follow this simple step to avoid all that. You can change all these pages. Oh, load. We've done something here. We've done here. Okay, this is where we are now. Okay. All right. Okay. You can change this. You can change this. These ones are here. You just touch it. You touch it. You can change. Just come navigate here and touch. We'll change this and everything. So guys, this is it. You might not waste time in changing all of that. I've just taught you how to go about it. So to change it, click on the page, come and edit them one after the other. If you have any question, you can call on my attention. You can ask me. And I'm always here to give an answer. This thing is wasting our time. Edit now. Okay, you can change it. You've seen it. You can change the time. You can even change this. You can go to the icon library. You can use anyone you click. Okay, I've decided to use this. Okay, say insert. All right, and we just save changes. This way we are editing. Mind you, this way we are. Look at what I've inserted. I've changed it. Okay, I'm also tempted to change this. Now here you can change. Please always remember to change this. If you don't change all this, check them very well. The color of this, you can go into styling. If you want to change any of the color, you check on the styles. This is the red colors you're seeing, the text color. You can change them by simply clicking on them. You click on them and you make changes. I wouldn't want to change them, but should I? I'm tempted to. Okay, let me just give this here, and okay. All right, then look at it now. Look at it. Change the hover. If you want to change the hover color, you touch here. For hover is when you place your mouse, you change the color, what appears. You can change all of that. So all of that is something you can do, and you update. Okay, so I might not go ahead in editing all, but whichever one you want to edit, the most important thing is touch the page. You click on the page section. This will be visible. You touch them, you edit them, you change them from here, including all this. You touch the page section, you edit them, you change them from here. You can even use your own WordPress. You can touch here to edit the footer and every damn thing. Okay, so guys, that's how it is. When you're done, you just go here, touch here, click here and exit. Simple. All we saved is there. Okay, please exit now. What are you waiting for? This network is not friendly. Let's go and create shipment quickly, and so we can end the class, and let's see how the script work for creation of shipment. And there are other settings I need to make you understand. Oh, these are pages, all pages. Okay, now whichever one you want to edit, we've edited the home page. You do take the same method, you edit just the same method I use in editing the home page, the services page. You edit, you follow the tracking page and all that. You just follow them one after the other. It is simple. The same thing we did here. We can just go to about us page, you click on edit, and to ask you to edit with Elementor. Elementor is a nice plugin. Okay, it's loading. Just that network is not a friend today. You just click on edit and it will take you back there. These are not too important, but they are good. So let me point out some important area again outside the editing. Go here. Let's go to WP. This is where you set certain thing, the logo of what you want. Now here, all you have to do is you go to general setting. Let's start from there. Okay, we'll set every damn thing. Here. The type of shipment, you can include your own by simply adding comma. That is what will be appearing. Add shipment mode. You travel by sea, transport, land transport, air freight, depending on what. Now shipment location, the countries and their location you want to be in, map and everything. Shipment courier delivery, what is the name of your courier website? You can add, let's say FXL. You can add shipment payment mode. How do you expect them to? You can add by just adding comma. Please follow the instruction. Add shipment status. This shipment status is when you update, is it in transit or whichever. You can add return, you can add by simply adding, look at here, no space, just comma and continue. Add shipment logo. Now listen, this shipment logo you have to change it as well, because if you don't change it, there was a time I tracked a website and it, okay, this is the logo that will appear in the mail and when they track, so it's pertinent. I will change it. Let me use this. So if you don't change this, if you don't change it, what that means is select. Now if you don't change it, then page type, you can just, then the color and everything. Now here, please take note of this place as well. Shipment name preface. What do you want your shipment to start with? Okay, if you want it to start with, this thing generates shipment number automatically. So whatever you want it to start with, you add it here. It might be the beginning of your website. Surface, how do you want it to end? If you don't want it to end any this thing, you can remove it. Okay, let me remove it so that when we create shipment, anything. How many digits do you want it to be? I want it to be like 10. Let me just use 10. Okay, let me use 10. You can put how many digits you want your shipment. These are base color. How do you want your text color and everything to be. So display shipment history invoice. If you don't want it to display, you check this out. Assign root administrator and all that. You just save changes. Okay, take your time and set up this thing. Read them very well and you just set them up. Okay, a client email, you set it again, you set the client email. Okay, active client email, please check if you want. Okay, when you don't check, all the update we update in pending, out of delivery, all this we are what we added in this general settings. If you add new one, it will come up here. If anyone you want them to receive only email, you can check on only of them. But if you want them to receive email as you update, as the update go by, you just add it. Domain, let's add our website domain, Ctrl V. All right, mail to. Now this mail to is whenever you update, the receiver email is the person you are sending the shipment to will be receiving email. If you want to become the sender email, just change it to sender. The moment you change it to sender, only the sender will be receiving email. So all right, shipment subject, this is it. That is for the email of the client. The email of the client shows this. It will enter email notification and the tracking number. It will call the tracking number. That is how this script is. Then this is the statement there. It will call the receiver's name that was registered in the shipment. Don't worry, we'll create shipment so you understand this thing. Please be informed that your shipment registered with us is currently, if it is in transit, it will call in transit, in eroded, on hold, whichever one. Then after that, you go down, you see what else you're seeing. Custom duty, they said it is updated. Now we meet this. Just read all that. You can change any of them, but please, you see all this paragraph and all this, don't change the major one. You can change all the minor one. Then we come to the footer section. You can add your phone number, your address and location. You can change all this right up right here and just save changes. So you do the same thing on the admin email. For this map setting, you need to get what is it called, the map IP address. So let's just create one shipment and test all we've done. To create shipment is simple. Just enter shipment. So you just do all that. Let's add shipment. Okay, it will automatically generate a number. This number is automatically generated. Okay, look at the FSL. That was this thing. Then we didn't want anything, but you can edit it. Whatever you add there appears. Let's call the shipment name. Let's say we are sending it to G. Let's just put a domain phone number, address Nigeria, receiver's name. Let's call the receiver Kings Bar. Phone number, let's just put a number. Sorry, it's about to rain. Address, email, the receiver's email. Okay, 80.com. Sorry, it's about to rain. I will just make it very sharp. Okay, gmail.com. Right, type of shipment, this was what I was explaining. Let's say freight. You can just say 566. Courier, just add whatever you wish. seaport product, add them, how do you want them to pay you, all that. You can add all these things from that settings I explained. The country, let's say America, destination, where is the shipment going to, let's say Algeria, time for pickup, let's say pickup date, just pickup time, just add them. Let's say this, you can add your comments. Here are other places you can update the client side. You can just update all this, and then that's how you go about it. Then you say add package. After that you say publish. Publish network might be bad because it's about to rain, so I'll be stopping the video shortly. Then next thing we have to do is they say it has been published. Let's go and track this. Let's visit the website. Let's check all we've done. And now, after now, you can just check the receiver email, track order. Look at the logo we created. Track order. You paste, you track. Let's check. Awesome. Look at it. So if you don't change this thing, it cannot come up like this. Look at it. Look at that. You pick your time filling all this thing. Look at the life map. It's pointing at the location. So there, I will be ending this tutorial. Every other detail can be edited and changed. I love you so much. If you need this screen to get it for only 45,000 naira, my number is found in the description below. God bless you. I love you.